I'm going to insert a turning tool in the bottom of the keyway, then use this short hook, nothing on 1, little click on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, maybe a little something on 5. 6 is binding very tightly. Nice click out of 6, back to the beginning. Nothing on 1, 2, 3 is binding. Nice click out of 3, and we got it open. Okay, let's move on to a wave rake, and before I actually pick with it, I want to show you just how quickly this makes those pins move. You can see why it's such an effective tool. Let's put that turning tool back in and see how fast we can open this lock. And the answer is pretty quickly. Let's do that a couple more times. Even faster the second time. And the third was quick as well. Okay, let's wrap this up by picking it with a leashy tool. Okay, nothing on 1. 2 is binding. Little click there. Nothing on 3. Nothing on 4. 5 is binding. Little click there. 6 is binding. Click out of 6. Back to the beginning. Click out of 1. It feels set. 2 feels set. Click out of 3. 3 feels set. 4 is binding very tightly. 4 could be set. Nothing on 5. 6 is binding. Click there. I suspect we're pretty close. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4 is binding. Little click there, and we got this open.